How to use Walmart Pay in store. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can use Walmart Pay in store. Well, to use Walmart Pay in store, you want to first open up the Walmart app. So if you don't have the application, you'll have to install the Walmart application from your Play Store or App Store and log into the account. So what you want to do is next you want to open up the app and make sure you're logged in, and you want to proceed to head into the Walmart Pay option. So if you head into services, you'll be able to see various services here, and basically what you want to do is you want to head into account. Under account you want to head into settings, and under settings you shall find the wallet option. Under wallet here you shall find the option here that says the option to scan. Here you can see scan and go option right here. Let me show it to you, focus it here, and tap on scan and pay and proceed to scan to make the payment. So this is how you can easily proceed to pay. Now you can see once you select account, once you select scan under wallet option by heading into settings. So under account settings you shall find the option wallet, head into wallet, and under wallet as well you'll find the option to Walmart Pay. You can see tap on Walmart Pay. You can either select Walmart Pay directly and proceed to scan, or you can proceed to tap on scan option and then select Walmart Pay. Either ways, hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.